In today's video, I'm going to replace 3 broken wheel studs on my wife's 2019 Subaru WRX STI. Almost every time we have this car serviced or anything, a wheel stud is broken. One thing that you do see online on YouTube are videos of people replacing the ones in the front, which are much easier to do than the ones in the back. The other cool thing is I have a Lyle wheel stud installation tool, and it makes this so much easier and faster. I like the Lyle tool because it's got a recess in it that allows you to seat the lug in there, and it aligns everything perfect. And it just makes it way faster. So because I had to do so many of them, I decided to invest in that tool. Now this car is older and it's driven in upstate New York. We did have to contend with rusty bolts and whatnot. The car underneath is in great shape except for the hardware, the nuts and bolts. For some reason out of the factory, I don't think Subaru puts any kind of zinc coating on those or anything, so they do corrode pretty ferociously. So something to keep in mind. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.